In the meantime, there were concerns that some members of the security forces were unable to vote as candidates in at least one division in Portmore were not on the ballot. Up to news time, the Electoral Office of Jamaica still had not commented on the issue. Shamala Pullen tells us more.
Kennard Grant is the PNP's council candidate for the Bridgeport division. He's worried after receiving reports there were no ballots for persons to vote for him in the division. He explained the complaints came from two locations, Mobile Reserve and Twickenham Park.
Persons who have reported these issues to me are definitely upset because they went to the polling station with complete confidence that they will be afforded the opportunity to participate. However, they have not been given that right, and it is a right.
He says the matter was reported to the PNP hierarchy where the situation was escalated.
Whilst the time frame to cast ballots today is between 8 and 4, it is certainly time sensitive because the individuals who are required to participate are persons who will be functioning in the essential services. Now, police officers may have court dates that they cannot ignore, and also they will have to serve duty. Now, whilst the law will allow an individual 3 hours, it is between, as long as they don't have work within a particular time frame. And if they are now on shift, then they would now lost that opportunity.
We were unable to reach the GLP's candidate for the division, Dwayne Ebanks. However, Member of Parliament for St. Catharines South Eastern, Robert Miller, confirmed receiving reports of issues on the ballots. He says the complaints, however, were related to the ballots for the mayoral candidates. Portmore is the only municipality where a mayor is directly elected. We have tried repeatedly to get a comment from the Electoral Office of Jamaica on the issue, but we were first told that the Director of Elections was unable because he was locked in a meeting. We were then asked to send our query via WhatsApp. We, however, did not receive a response. Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.